It's in. You finally figure out how to put it in the hole correctly this time?
Take the nut off.
You take the nut off? You gotta take the terminal off? How's that look? All I see is a pipe here. I can't see squat. Oh, look at that fancy thing in there. Look at that. I like the one behind it.
It's already started and everything.
I don't like this one. I like the one behind it. You also just been trimmed down to fit?
That's for a O2 sensor.
Does it fit on there?
No.
Why don't you try it without it on there?
What size is that thing?
I don't know.
7/8, not big enough.
That's not the right one?
No.
Did I give you the wrong one?
I believe it's a 1 inch.
A 1 inch? What's wrong with this one?
1 and 3/16. No, it's an inch.
You don't like that one?
For this situation, not that I don't like it.
This one's a 7/8. That ain't gonna work. Where's my other tool at? I used to have a bunch of fancy tools around here. I got a compression release tool. How about that? Yeah, that'll work, won't it? Ooh, look at that thing. That's really thin wall.
They're very close to the
Yeah, I know. I thought that was the one because that was cut down special for. Uh-oh, where'd that come from? Where do we hide my tools? It appears I don't have it. What size is it? 1 inch, you think?
Yeah, I believe so.
I don't know where my special tool's at. This doesn't look like a 1 inch either. It looks like a 7/8. It is a 7/8. How about this one? 1 inch. I had a tool for doing those. I don't know what happened to it.
A custom made one?
Yeah, the one that's cut down. Does that one fit?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one was all made for it. It's missing. More missing junk. What I did with it. Yeah, somewhere. I don't know.
On there, but I can't. It's not. It's hitting the lifter block now. So I had to take it off with channel locks.
Like I said, I had to cut down one that goes in there. I thought that was the one I had there, but you're saying it didn't fit.
Was good on that one.
This was a compression release tool I cut down. Here's another one. Why did I put that over there, dumbass? It goes back over there.
There you go.
See, this one's cut down a lot.
Wow.
Here. Ooh, look at that one. That looks too. That's 7/8.
Yeah, that's not a 1 inch.
That one's dangerous too. Look how split it is. That didn't fit? Shocker. How about this weird looking thing?
What the hell is that thing?
I don't know. Does it fit it?
I won't try. Yeah. You see the ratchet. It went on better than that last one, dude.
Well, I got a lathe that says it'll fit even better.
You don't have a wobbly
A wobbly.
to go between the ratchet.
You want a wobbler? You mean something like one of these here, like one of these?
A short 3/8 extension too.
Ooh, you want everything, is what you're saying. You're under the impression I have tools
This
around
looks
here.
like it's made for these damn combos.
You think maybe it's made for it, huh?
That is a special tool. There's a wobbly.
Okay.
You got 3 or 6 inches.
There's a 6-inch one right here.
Perfect one.
That might be the special one I had, but I thought I had one I cut down already.
Oh, this is a nice one here. This thing fits like a glove.
Nice and tight. I can't see squat with this.
Over here.
I can't. It's too much crap over here. Look at that.
Hold on.
That air cleaner's almost in the way. Look at that. Does that fit in there now? Yeah, almost like it's made for it.
Not hold on here very well yet.
I bet you it fit a lot better after I turned that thing down.
How come it's not wanting to go in there?
Why don't you push it in
There
the
it
hole?
goes. There it goes.
You have to actually push it in the hole, Joe.
You see how it fits over the nut?
Yeah.
Real good.
I know it's made for it. But I thought it, but that one, I must have another one because that one has not been cut down, and I cut one down.
This looks like a factory item to me. Yeah, it's me. How much thread locker we got showing still?
I don't care. Is it tight yet?
It's feeling like it's getting tight.
Well, I know you know if you over torque it, it splits the case wide open.
No, we don't want to over torque. That's good though.
I'd quit torquing if it's
Pipe
tight.
thread, isn't it?
It's pipe through. Paper pipe through.
That's one fine socket. I'm gonna look for one of those.
You gotta look for one of those. It's part number.
Not a word on it.
It must be an original equipment. From China or something. No, it would say China on it if it came from China.
Yep. Yeah, sure.
So it must be something else I got. We know it's not Snap-on because it doesn't say Snap-on on it.
Let's snap on China, man.
Snap-on China? Yeah. Okay. Well, at least we got one that works. Yeah, well.
You done putting that in here? Didn't you have to move nothing around or anything?
Where's your nut at?
For the thing I put it back on.
Put it on there? Okay.
With the wire in too.
Where's your other little piece? Your little square thing?
For the
Your chromium piece.
chromium piece.
Yeah,
Oh, so all the parts are in the box with it.
well, you lost your chromium piece?
Yeah, I put it in the.
There it is, chromium piece.
God, you're making me work overtime, man.
It's not my bike, it's your bike.
That's really the right one. Okay, 9/16.
It's probably 7/16 on top.
I mean, oh, that part stays in there. I need a little lesson over here on this thing.
What?
Well, how much of that thing's going to come out of the? That's good.
That probably goes good on that. What, that one over there?
Yeah, how much is going to be removed all the way down to
Probably,
the case or what?
that's at least a 7, that's at least a 9, it might be a 5/8. Here's a 9/16, so that make
So
it,
this thing's going to plug all the way into the case on its own, right?
is that a 5/8?
Yeah.
9/16.
Maybe an 11/16 maybe.
No, it ain't that big. Probably 5/8.
How much oil's going to squirt on now?
Well, I would not take it out until you're ready to put the other one in there, so, where's your other one at?
Would you like to hang that one on the wall for some of the finer products that people have made and put on their bikes?
I don't have all of that crap laying around. I got more important crap on my wall. I got shelving on my wall. You know,
Hang like a weight on the.
you took the protective layer plastic off that. It's going to rust now.
That's okay. You have your knife with you?
Yeah.
Can I borrow it?
Where's yours?
I ordered one. I had it come in yet.
Ordered a knife and you haven't got it yet.
I only like one kind of knife.
Oh. Well, it's not that one because that one's $1 in hell.
These kind of like
You figure out how to make that work yet?
cut your finger off with them.
You don't cut your finger. You have to be sharp to cut your finger off. You can poke your finger, but you can't cut your finger. See, you don't even want to cut plastic. Those are garbage knives. All knives are garbage. I haven't found a good one yet.
I'll watch. I'll show you mine. You'll like it.
Doesn't matter how expensive you pay for them. Damn, this thing's still poking me in my arm. Junk.
Look up tonight if you get a chance on the computer. Look up Spyderco police model, stainless steel police model. They are the baddest knife on earth.
I'll give you $5 for it.
They're 140, I think.
That's too much money.
They're almost illegal when they're opened up. They're just under the legal length.
1-inch blades, San Diego.
1 inch?
1-inch blades.
These are way longer than that.
It is good.
3.5, I think.
That's why my blade's only 1 inch long.
That might not 1 inch.
It's 1 inch.
The whole knife, when it's opened up, is just right at the legal limit of what a pocket knife can be.
The blades don't even matter. It doesn't matter about the rest.
They are so sharp. They're unbelievably sharp.
It's not how sharp it is when it's new. It's how sharp it is after you use it 5 times. Is the spring in there?
Yeah.
Is it clean?
Is it clean?
Yeah.
Got some dirty oil on it.
Why
Right?
don't you pull out and clean it?
I thought I was going to have to change this real quick because it was going to make a mess.
It is a quick job.
I put a flat thing in there. Got the spring, maybe a little hook tool maybe?
There's a spring and a filter in there.
Okay.
There it is,
How do I
right
get it
there.
out?
There it is, right there. A pair of pliers.
Needle nose pliers?
Where's your pliers at? You didn't bring your pliers with you?
No.
If you had a pair of these fancy ass black
Are we doing the tool
these
test?
tool
again?
test, is this strong enough to take out a spring and a screen? Stainless steel.
So far these were failing, weren't they?
Is it enough? Does it have enough power to get the
Grab
job
that
done?
thing.
And
pull
pull
it
it
up.
out of there. Oh, don't break it off. Oh, you almost broke it. Look at that. That is a perfect replacement job going on there. Okay, now you need to wipe it off and you need to blow it out, and you blow it from the inside out. That way all the crap goes out of it, not into it.
So all the dirty stuff's inside that thing then, huh?
And then you see how dirty it is. And do we have any air pressure in this building right now?
Probably not. Turn it off.
Somebody turn the air off. It says we have 100 pounds. That's not enough. So you have to go there and get on that airline over there and give it a quick shot.
Turn it on again?
It's got 100 pounds. The valve leaks.
I'm just saying, you want me to turn it back on?
It's got 100 pounds in it. Up there. Airline. Point it outside.
What do you want? This?
Yeah, airline. Point it outside.
You just hit it, huh? Don't lose it.
Yeah, don't lose it. Did you clean it? Good. Hit it again.
Looks good.
Okay, is it clean
Looks
now?
a lot cleaner than it was.
It looks clean now?
Yeah.
Let me see. Is it clean? Does this look clean to you?
Is anything in the tip still?
I don't know.
They just solder it, don't they?
Oh, this light went out.
That is a bad battery.
Oh, look at that. Look at all that trash in there. Look at that. I can barely see through it. See my finger come out and do something.
Yeah, I can see it.
There you go. Okay.
Good enough?
Looks like it's almost passable.
Good enough for my motorcycle.
It's good enough for your bike. It's good enough for who it's for.
Ooh, it's a low blow.
There you go. I halfway assembled it for you there, sir. The light keeps going out.
Hmm?
I don't know why the camera went off earlier.
Was the camera just a light? Just like this, correct?
It shuts off all the time on its own. Oh, look at that. It went right in. You didn't have to use that fancy plier. You didn't wipe off those pliers or they're going to rust.
From oil. Okay.
Hey, those aren't stainless. That's made out of steel.
Oh, these are Nipex too?
Oh, yeah. Top line crap. Here. Did you put the O-ring on there?
Yep.
You sure? Where? I don't see it. Is it in there somewhere?
How about now?
Is it on the inside of the hole?
Nothing inside.
Oh, okay, good. That plug works in all 3 locations, in case you didn't know.
Where's the third one?
On 81 and up. Well, your hand is touching all 3, so you tell me where the third one's at. If you put the socket in there, it makes it easier to assemble.
I want to start the thread first because I'll cut cross thread.
That's why you put the socket on there. You can push on it easier. Not the wrench, the socket. Not the wrench, the socket.
Only?
Well, that's how it works. You can't control it.
To get it started, you mean?
You can't. It's already started. It would blew out if it wasn't. You're just lucky you didn't cross thread it, destroy it. Yeah, see?
Can I tighten it with the wrench now?
You can tighten it with the wrench all you want. Now, if you over torque it, it strips.
And it cracks the case.
It might crack the back of the case too.
Pipe thread also?
But it will strip. No, it's not pipe thread. That's why it had an O-ring on it. Didn't you see the O-ring on there?
I did see that.
Did you see
no one voids pipe thread.
Didn't you see the shoulder on there?
Did everyone see this fine?
That is a nice piece of equipment.
Improvising when you didn't have nothing to fix that with. I think I cut.
You could put
down.
that on Chopper Swapper and get $20 for that.
I forgot what I put inside of it to make it not leak.
Probably
There's
came,
something underneath there though.
You probably came in it or something.
Rubber.
Oh, there's the other plugs down there.
Clean that up
You
tomorrow.
have an oil leak right there, sir. Look at that oil all in my tool. There's a big oil spot down there. You just don't take care of my tools at all anymore, do you?
I'm not done.
There you go. Look at
See
that.
me leaving.
Look what he did to my tools. He defaced it. He defaced that fine German piece of equipment there. Look at all that oil. Look at that. It's just dripping with goo.
Did you dip it back in oil or what?
Jeez, I think you dripped in that. Look, it's nice and shiny now. I use my rag.
Okay. Are you happy?
I use my clean rag over here
Are you happy with that?
instead of that dirty thing you're using over there. There you go. It won't rust now. Get the oil
Let's
off.
see if we'll
it.
take that cap off.
What cap? You gonna investigate and see what's in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, that's a pretty fancy tool. Is you gonna take that off? Ooh, look at that. Not only can it pull a tappet screen filter out of a case, it can tape a nut off.
Bust the nut loose off this thing.
Yeah. Look at that oil in there. It's got oil in there.
A little piece of aluminum or something I put in there.
You jammed a piece of something in there.
I can save this. Maybe Jeremy might want to buy it for his oil pressure sending unit for his bike.
Well, you gotta take the fitting out of here, and that's the filter that's the adapter for putting the gauge in the case.
I think I have the rest of it too.
Yeah, they had a
Top
40,
part, yeah.
they had a 45-degree fitting comes up. So yeah, it's still good for that. The other piece, it's not too valuable for what we need, but
Make
That
sure the
was
pliers
good.
are cleaned off.
You like my clock? I like my clock.
Where you keep the Nipex
I
at?
fixed
Over
that clock. The Nipix department's over there.
Want me to try and super glue that tomorrow too?
We have to fix the needle. See how that doesn't move?
Oh yeah, no, it doesn't work no more. Huh?
It has to be taken apart, and we have to glue the damn needle to the shaft so it turns.
Or squeeze it maybe.
So it turns with the needle, the shaft that's turning in there. There's nothing's attached to right
I
now.
understand.
Then the clock will work again.
Does the little arm work?
The little arm, everything's stuck right where it is.
Oh, that's good because it's got dead battery. It's going up and back. That's because of dead battery.
Well, it's been sitting here for months on the bench, not working. So.
But just doing that back and forth on the second hand?
Yeah. Now we haven't tested this out yet.
I don't drink.
Put your finger in there, see what happens when you yank on it.
No.
Will it make you bleed?
More than likely.
I think that's what it's for.
Is this yours?
That is my paperwork for my credit card machine.
Or something.
Look at you wiped your fingers on my receipt.
Fuck this stuff.
Damn, he's destroying everything.
I wiped it off with my towel.
That was a big sale I had. That was $100. What?
It's like I wiped the receipt off with my towel.
Yeah, that's gonna really help it out.
All right, I'm out of here.
You're out of here this time?
I'm already late.
I can go home now?
Yeah.
Okay, Joe said it's time to go home.
Rectifier.
Rectifier.
Take this off again. Show you how to do it without taking the clutch
Put
off.
the part on there is correct.
Fix the leaky.
Put a
case
cam in it
Leak.
and make it run.
Battery.
There you
cam,
go.
yeah.
Another day.
It'll be safe here tonight.
No, I'm gonna leave the door wide open.